We end every episode with a segment called Undupable. And it's basically where you name 5 things that cannot be duped, like irreplaceable in your life. It doesn't have to all be product. It can be a place. It can be a coffee, like anything that you're like, there is not another one of these. It can be your own products as well. So, so yeah, no limit on what it is. Person, place, thing, product, anything. So 5 things irreplaceable, undupable to you. Now, here's the kicker. You have 1 minute to do it. Okay. So you'll go through it, give a little reason why, and then keep it moving. And we're going to time you. This is our little timer.
Okay.
Ready?
Black uniform, just because it's easy to get dressed and not think too much about outfits. Banana lowlighter to make me look like I had 8 hours of sleep. Mm-hmm. My dog, his name is Rocco. He's a Swiss Shepherd. I'm in love with him. Organic espresso first thing in the morning to get me going.
Do you drink it straight?
I drink it straight, yeah.
Hardcore.
And the Carlisle Hotel here in New York, it's luxurious and it makes me feel I live in old New York and it's fabulous.
Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, those are all really good because you covered a little bit of everything. You killed it. 14 seconds left, so she has time. Wait, I love that. Your dog sounds precious. Rocco, I love that name too.
Yeah, he's. I never thought I would love a dog so much, but this is all I think about going back. I don't think about my husband, my kids. I think about where is this dog? Like I'm obsessed.
Oh my God, precious. I also love the all black uniform call out. That's something that someone hasn't specifically said, but like it's classic. It's easy. You know what you want to do. You are rocking it today.
It's
kind of like your signature, I'm sure.
Sometimes I'm thinking, especially the last few months, I need to get another color code, some gray, some browns. But when I travel, just throw a whole bunch of black and it just works.
Easy, chic. Yeah. I love it. I love that we're opposite. We're like yin and yang right now. So we both are in this neutral place, but black and this beige looks really good together. So I love it.
Are you hitting